Hello everyone. Now let's talk about how we can edit our first draft individually. And of course, we do that alone. Suppose I want to add a comma here. I also want to add a comma here. I also want to delete these two words. Alright, you can see when I do this, after a while I may not remember what I have done to this sentence. And if I share this writing with the other group members, they do not know what changes I have made to this writing. In other words, I have not left any tracks of changes in this file. So it is hard for our group members to know what we have edited. That's why let me undo. We need to use one powerful function in Microsoft Word. At the top, okay, go to Review and then click on Track Changes. Now it is enabled, it is shaded, okay. So now after I turn on the track changes and look at what happens, I add a comma. See that the comma has one underline. It is underlined. I like to add one comma after growth. See, I also want to remove widgets. The reason is that I want to make this shorter. This one is called a relative clause or adjective clause. As you remember, we can make this shorter, right? We can reduce an adjective clause to an adjective phrase. To do that, we simply remove the relative pronoun and the verb to be. Okay, let me delete that. So look at what happens. You can see after I deleted widgets, I can see that it is it is straight through, kind of like you can see the underline comes this way. It's called straight through. And the color compare, when I added something, the color is lighter. When I deleted something, the color is darker. Please note, we have, you can see here on the left, this line tells us that we have made some changes in this line. Okay, let's go on. Next sentence, I can see the misspelling. Okay, so let's change, let's correct this one. Letter H should be here, right? So type letter H, then remove this letter H. Again, Phnom Penh is a proper noun. Okay, name Asathir, it is a name. You know, a name is considered specific. So after a specific noun, we use a non-restrictive relative clause. This means we need to use the comma. We surround the relative clause with commas. So here. Just the same thing, which is the capital city of Phnom Penh, Cambodia. We can also make this one shorter. Just remove whiches. The capital city of Phnom Penh. Actually, the word capital alone also means an important city. We can also remove the word city as well. The capital of Cambodia. So now, after we have turned on track changes, all the changes that we make are recorded in Microsoft Word. And now we can enjoy editing all of these, all these errors in the file. Okay, let's go on. Please note, look at this one. This is called the thesis statement, right? The thesis statement is the main idea of the essay. This is not a good thesis statement. Actually, this is a poor thesis statement because it does not provide the main idea. Okay, we cannot see the main idea in this thesis statement. What can we see? We see only the topic, right? Probably the topic is solution. So we can revise this thesis statement by writing a good one to replace this one. Alternatively, we can do like this. Just select the whole sentence, right click on it, and choose new comment. Here we just add a comment. Okay, there are times when we need to tell our group members about our ideas of certain parts in the essay. So we click on new comment. See that? After I click on new comment, I see the comments box here with my name and the time. Soon this will change to the time when I made the comment. So you may write, this is a poor thesis statement. We should revise it. You can also write your suggestion. My suggestion is that, or is what, maybe you type blah 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 here. Okay, so this is the topic thesis statement that you want your classmates or group members to consider. By the way, everyone, I would like you to bear in mind that for each body paragraph, there should be one topic sentence and the topic sentence should be the first sentence in the body paragraph. Don't make your writing too long. If you have a lot of ideas, please choose only 3 to 4 key ideas. The word limit is 800. In this file, there are around 900 words. So try to remove words that we don't need. Look at what I have done. You can see I have removed 5 words, 2 at the top and 3 in this line. 5 words already. So don't worry, Microsoft Word still counts all of these. But when you accept the changes, the word count will reduce. This means you will have fewer words in this essay.